तो आज हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6.13 सिस्टम ऑफ पार्टिकल एंड रोटेशन मोशन. द क्वेश्चन इज अ rope of negligible mass is wound around a hollow cylindrical of mass cylinder of mass 3 kg and radius 40 centimeter. What is the angular acceleration of the cylinder if the rope is pulled with a force of 30 newton? What is the linear acceleration of the rope? The linear acceleration we have to get, and the assume that there is no slipping. Okay, there is no slipping, and we have to find the linear acceleration and the what is the angular acceleration. Okay, so we have to find the linear acceleration of the rope and the angular acceleration of the cylinder. So if the question comes into the exam, then how you have to tackle this and how you have to write this is the given format that you can follow. And first of all, you have to write the given that we always write where mass of the hollow cylinder 3 kg, radius is 40 centimeter, that is 0.4 meter, perpendicular force applied 30 newton by the rope. By this rope, the force is get applied by this rope, and moment of inertia of hollow cylinder is mr square along this axis, along this vertical axis. So this is what you have to learn, and the first step is torque. So torque is equal to r cross f. That is the formula that you have to know, and that is also going to be equal as I alpha, right? This is also going to be I alpha. Now you can solve this question as r cross f is equal to sine theta that is 90 degree, and 90 degree because the rope and the angle that is making, the radius that is making is 90 degree with each other. Like uh, force is applied like this and the radius r is like this. This is the cylinder and the force is applied like this and the radius is this. So this is the angle is 90 degree. This is why sine theta is 90 degree, right? So is equal to I alpha. Now this is the formula because we are relating this with the alpha, and that is the angular acceleration. So 0.4 from the given data into 30 is equal to mr square into alpha, and the alpha that is only variable here, so we can calculate the alpha, the angular acceleration. And now after calculating the angular acceleration, you can use this formula r alpha is equal to a, that is the radius, and then alpha is angular acceleration and the relation between the linear acceleration. Here you can put the r, the alpha, and you can get the linear acceleration, and that is similar for the rope. The linear acceleration of that point at which the rope is pulling that cylinder is also the force of the rope, right? Because there is it is assumed that there is no slipping. So this is why the acceleration of rope is equal to acceleration of that point at which the rope is pulling that cylinder, right? So by calculating it, a, that is our linear acceleration, is going to be you are going to be get it, and that is 10 meter per second square. So this is your answer. So what the formula that you have to remember? Torque formula, that is equal to r cross f, and that is also going to be equal to I alpha, right? This is the formula that you have to learn, and again the relation between linear acceleration and angular acceleration, you are going to get it by r alpha is equal to a, right? So this is it, guys, and this is the answer there. This is the format that you have to use. Okay, so bye.